Good evening, this is Jan. I'm gonna make a dish with mussels. Beautiful shellfish and very easy to work with as a seafood. It's gonna be tom yum. I'm cooking tom yum, the Thai soup, and I'm using these mussels, so it's gonna be a kind of a fusion. First thing is to clean them and get rid of all the broken ones and the ones that don't respond when they're open and you tap on them, because that means they are dead. You cannot use these mussels. Like this one, it's opened and it closes, so that means this one is okay, it's still alive. Then here's a good example of a mussel that is definitely broken. Don't use this one, throw it away immediately. After I checked all the mussels, I'm gonna clean them in cold water for about 5 minutes. Now it's time for the preparation of the vegetables, the aromatics for the tom yum. Red onion. I will chop this roughly, kind of like this. It's actually more common to use shallots in tom yum, but I didn't have any shallots, so that's why I choose for this option the red onion. Well, basically you can see a red onion as the extra large version of shallot, because they're all the same family. And a couple of cloves of garlic. Also chopped kind of roughly. Spring onion. I think this vegetable blends very well with the mussels. And then last but not least, a herb that you really need in the tom yum flavor is lemongrass. I kind of cleanse because they're very hard. I'm not using them. Then I will smash it so that all the aromas, all the fragrance gets loose. There's a very nice smell. And I cut it into pieces. So of course you don't eat this, this is only for the flavor. That fragrance, lemongrass, that is always amazing. It's kind of lemon. It's a herb. Very aromatic. I put the mussel pan on the fire and I'm adding like 2 cups of water. For starters, because I don't want to add too much liquid, because of course the mussels themselves, they give much liquid out of their shells to the broth. I added 1 more cup of water because I thought it was not enough liquid for making a soup like tom yum. That is. Then I will put the heat to medium and I will add this pad thai chili paste. I think I put like this spoon in there. Maybe a little bit more. Get all the real flavor. I put in the spices, black pepper, cayenne pepper. I could use fresh chilies, but I don't have them, so it's gonna be this cayenne pepper, basil, which is Also very aromatic, very nice thing. Tom yum. And lao root. And then half a lime to start with. For the acidity, for the freshness. And the vegetables go in. I'm gonna put the heat a little bit higher for now. Stir it a little bit so all the flavors are melting into one nice broth tom yum soup. For the acidity, that is okay. For the spiciness as well, so I think it's time to put in the mussels. I'll put it on high heat and close the lid. Here it is. Of course not too long, just a couple of minutes and then they're cooked. Just checking after about 2.5 minutes. Most of the mussels are already opened. Then I'm gonna shake it so that all the mussels which are on top get a little bit more down and get cooked as well. Something like this. This is mussels tom yum flavor. And I will have a beer with this. This is Hardas, a Polish brand. It's very smooth. I like this beer. And I think this will go well with the mussels, because Polish beers, they go well with seafood. Especially with herring. I eat much herring from Poland. Well, over to the mussels, of course. Oh yeah. They're good. They're cooked, not overcooked, because you don't want that. With some onion. Nice, beautiful, briny seafood taste. I really love that red onion blending with the mussel. That little bit pungent of the onion together with the brininess of the mussel. As a side dish with this recipe, I would recommend rice, because this is like Thai flavors from the lemongrass, from everything. But of course, you can eat fries with this, or bread, as I did in my other video. Now I have almost reached the bottom of the pan, and as you guys can see, the broth has changed color from the typical orange color of tom yum to a more white, grayish kind of color, like seawater. So what about the taste? It's acidic, a little, yeah, not too much. So I have another sip. There is that typical tom yum flavor. That's, yeah, from that chili paste with soybean oil. But the soup definitely got the additional character of the sea, the flavors of what is like seawater. Briny. Flavors of the mussel itself. And I like that, yeah. I like this soup. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.